Ever wonder why the Porsche 911 keeps evolving but never loses its soul? I'm breaking down the engineering timeline, from air-cooled icon to water-cooled precision, to today's turbocharged rockets. 3 minutes, clean milestones, let's roll. Milestone 1, 1964, the air-cooled blueprint. Porsche plants a rear-mounted flat 6 behind the rear axle. Air-cooled for simplicity and weight. Light, compact, and loud in all the right ways. The handling? Spiky at the limit. Fast if you respected it. This layout becomes the brand signature. Milestone 2, racing refines the street. From the 911R to the 2.7 Carrera RS with that iconic ducktail for downforce and cooling. Magnesium cases, mechanical fuel injection, bigger brakes. Every lap made the street 911 sharper. Milestone 3, 1975, the turbo era opens. The 930 drops with a big single turbo, massive torque, and serious lag. Engineers widen tracks, stiffen suspension, add the whale tail to push air into the intercooler. High risk, high reward, and a legend is born. Milestone 4, 964 and 993, last of the air-cooled. 964 adds ABS, power steering, and optional all-wheel drive borrowed from the 959. Then 993 perfects the formula. Multi-link rear suspension and better aerodynamics. The last air-cooled flat 6. Peak analog, real engineering polish. Milestone 5, 1998. The 996 goes water-cooled. Big change. Water jackets stabilize temps, unlock tighter emissions. More power and better cabin heat and AC. It's controversial. Headlights, sound, and feel, but a technical step forward. Turbo and GT models bring robust cooling, stronger blocks, and serious track durability. Milestone 6, 997 and 991. Refinement meets speed. Direct fuel injection and VarioCam plus fine-tune breathing. And PDK dual clutch shifts faster than any human. 991 stretches the wheelbase, adopts electric steering, and leans into aluminum for weight savings. Stability, precision, repeatability, big gains. Milestone 7, 9992. Turbocharging for everyone. Modern cars use small, efficient turbos, variable geometry, quick spooling, and overboost for punch. Thermal management gets serious. Center radiators and water-to-air intercooling, plus smart ducting to keep power repeatable. Active aero, rear axle steering, and torque vectoring make the rear engine feel planted and alive. Core engineering DNA, rear engine balance, a flat 6 heartbeat, and motorsport feedback. Dry sump handles high G-forces. Gearboxes evolve from dogleg manuals to PDK. Materials shift to aluminum and high-strength steels. The sound changes, the numbers climb, the identity holds. A 911 Turbo S can crush a quarter mile and still daily in traffic, cool as ice. It's not just power, it's cooling capacity, aero efficiency, and software tuned like race team telemetry. If the air-cooled era was vibe and bravery, the water-cooled era is control and speed. The 911 didn't reinvent itself, it iterated with purpose. That's why it's still here, still quick, still unmistakably 911. Evolution done right.